there, got another SimpleShot Pro Tip for you. Today we're going to cover grips. Now, there's lots of different ways to grip a slingshot. Now if you started out with a natural fork, you probably held it in one of two ways. The hammer grip, where you hold it just like a hammer, or a fork supported grip, where you brace your fingers around the prongs. Those are both great grips, and lots of slingshots accommodate that. The Scout slingshot, for example, accommodates the fork supported grip, where the three fingers wrap around the grip, the forefinger attaches to one prong, and the thumb braces with the other. This is what we call the fork-supported or thumb-supported grip. Along similar lines, we have what we call a pinch grip. The difference there is that the fingers, instead of bracing with the thumb wraps around, thereby pinching the entire slingshot. And finally, we have slingshots that are made specifically for the hammer grip, much like any of your wrist rockets. And you just grip it like a hammer. So figure out which grip works best for you and stick with it. There's no one grip that's perfect, and it's all down to personal preference. Try them all, see what you like, get out and shoot slingshots. Experimentation's half the fun. Thanks for taking a look.